Hello guys, in this video we will see why is Battlefield stuck on loading screen and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of understanding the stuck on loading screen phenomenon content. Battlefield stuck on loading screen refers to an issue where the game fails to progress past any loading screen, whether it's the initial game launch loading into a map or attempting to join a match. The screen typically displays the loading animation indefinitely, preventing gameplay. This problem is not merely a slow load time, but indicates an underlying technical fault, often related to corrupted game files, outdated drivers, system resource conflicts, or network connectivity issues that prevent the game from fully initializing or retrieving necessary data. Identifying the exact point of failure is crucial for effective troubleshooting.
Step: perform fundamental restarts. Content. The initial troubleshooting step involves performing several key restarts to clear temporary data and resolve minor software glitches. First, close the Battlefield game application completely, ensuring it is not running in the background. Next, exit and restart the game launcher. Up Origin or Steam. Finally, perform a full reboot of your personal computer. These actions can often resolve transient issues with system, memory, software processes, and game initialization that might be causing the loading screen freeze.
Step to verify game file integrity. Content corrupted or missing game files are a frequent cause of loading screen issues in Battlefield. Utilize the game launcher's built-in repair or verification tool to check the integrity of your installed game files. For the right-click Battlefield Authority. BF is a placeholder term. BF is the actual title in your library, and select Repair on Steam. Right-click the game in your library, go to Properties, then Local Files, and select the Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process scans your installation for discrepancies and automatically replaces any damaged or missing files, ensuring the game has all necessary components to load correctly.
Step: to update graphics, drivers, and system software. Content. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common culprit for performance issues, including loading screen freezes. Ensure your drivers, video, and or Intel are updated to the latest stable version directly from the manufacturer's website. Similarly, verify that your Windows operating system is fully updated, as critical system updates can contain necessary fixes or compatibility improvements. Furthermore, temporarily disable any non-essential background applications that might conflict with the game or consume significant system resources, as these can impede the game's ability to load effectively.
Step: to diagnose network connection and run as administrator. Content. An unstable or slow internet connection can prevent Battlefields from loading correctly, especially when connecting to online servers. Check your network stability, and if using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection to rule out wireless interference or packet loss. Additionally, run both the Battlefield's game executable and its associated launcher as an administrator. This ensures the application has the necessary permissions to access system files and resources, bypassing potential user account control restrictions that could be preventing the game from fully initializing during a loading sequence.